Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be using the Beetles nail tips and glue gel kit. That was on Amazon for like $20, y'all. $20. So right now I'm just showing you what comes in a box. So when you open it, first it's like the application guide. It shows you how to apply the nails and how to take it off and some questions that people might have about it. Next will be the nail tips. I think the nail tips are like a medium coffin style. I'm just showing you how it looks and how it would fit on my finger and stuff. Next in the box is the UV/LED light. Next is the wire for the light. And lastly is the nail glue for the nail tips. So I just want to give a disclaimer. I do not know what I'm doing with my nails. This whole video, I'm literally just winging it. So don't quote me or don't say, oh, Joell said do this. Don't do that, because I didn't. I didn't say that. I'm just showing you how I do my nails, okay? So first things first, I'll push back all my cuticles on both hands. And then next I use a cuticle cutter, I'm pretty sure it is, and just cut all the excess cuticles that don't need to be there. Then I file and buff my nails. Next, I'm actually not going to use the nail tips that came with the Beetle gel kit. I'm not going to be using those. I'm going to be using the nails that I got from Etsy, from the seller online. And these nail tips are square. So I'll rather square over the long coffin nails. So right now I'm just seeing what size is each finger. I'm putting all the nails on to see which size fits best for me. And for some of the nails I had to file them down so they could like actually fit the shape of my finger. I'm going in with the Orally nail tip primer to help with my nails, to prime my nails so it could get ready to have, you know, the gel on it. I do that to all my fingers. Right now, I'm going to just show you how I put on the nail, basically. I put the nail glue on my fingernail and I put more glue on the nail tip. And as you can see, I'm just pressing everything down, making sure my whole nail is like covered with the glue. And then I put that under the UV light. And then that one came out kind of good, but you could still see like I had air bubbles on the side of the nail. And I think the nail was crooked too. Y'all, I was struggling trying to do my nails, like for real. So then all you're gonna see me do next is just do the same thing like I did on my other two nails. And then my middle finger came out all right. There wasn't no air bubbles in there or anything. But I'm showing you right here that I had air bubbles on the side of my ring finger. So next, this is where I start to like think about why the nail tip wasn't pressing all the way down to my regular fingernail. In some parts you could see me like bending the nail inward so it could be more flatter. And that is because my fingernail has a very flat base, like it's very flat. But the nail tip that I have was very curved. So if my nail is very flat and the nail tip is very curved, the curved part is not gonna be sitting on top of my nail because my fingernail is so flat, if that makes sense. I'm pretty sure it does. And this is how my nails came out after I did all of them. And then now I got this nail cutter from Amazon. It's the one where you put your finger in and like all of your nail tips are supposed to come out the same length. And I cut all the tips off and they actually came out all the same length. The only thing was it was just like a little bit crooked, but I fixed that with some filing. I just did the other hand off camera and this is how it looks. And I cut down that hand as well. And it looks nice and clean. And then I went in with this nail file and buffed all of the nails so the nail polish could stick better. So after I buffed all my nails, I'm going in with a gel base coat that I got in a gel kit that came with the UV light, some nail filers and extra accessories, and also some gel colors. I'm just doing one hand first and then I'm gonna do the other hand after I'm done with the first hand. I let my hand go into the UV light for a minute. And then after that, I went in with like this nude brown color that was also in the kit. I'll link all of these things down below. And I just paint that as my base coat. As you can see, I'm not painting all the way down to the tip because I was going to do the French tip, so I didn't feel like I needed to paint all the way down to the bottom. So I'm just doing basically midway. Like I'm painting down midway, not all the way down. Now let that dry as well. And you can see how the first coat of polish look. You could use one coat, but I decided to do two to make the color more, you know, solid. And now I'm going in with this Beetles nail art design brushes that I also got from Amazon. This is how the different brushes look in the pack. And then I went in with this black polish to make the design. And so first, to make the little design, I start with the V shape. And then after the V shape, I did like a little U in the middle to make the V shape less pointy and to make it more like a U instead of a V. Hopefully this makes sense the way I'm explaining it. And after I did the little lining, I then went in with the regular nail polish brush and just painted all of that over. And then I just did that with all my nails. And then as you can see right here, I just poured some nail polish remover into a cap so I can clean up all the excess. Like right here, you can see I'm cleaning up that little dot that's out of line. You'll see it like vanish basically to clean it up. And see, now it's not there no more. And after I'm done with making a little U line or doing a French tip on my nails, I just went in with the black nail polish and just painted the tips so it can be After that, I decided I wanted a little bling on my fingers, so I went and got these little sparkle stickies that I had, which is also from Amazon. I put that right where the nude brown color meets the black color. Then after that, I just did the top coat so it concealing the color and the gem. And this is my end result. I put a little bit of cuticle oil so my hands can shine and be moisturized, but that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure you like and subscribe. Comment down below if you want to see more nail videos from me. And that's it. Bye.